Okay, right now we change it to our side. This is like our front. Okay? Yes. Okay, listen girls, I just tell you again, your body, you know your body more than I know your body. If you feel uncomfortable, whatever, you don't need to force yourself too much. But you have to force yourself a little bit. Otherwise, you cannot stretch it out. So if I have a little pain, that's okay. But if that pain is very hard to control, that is you can relax, okay? You control by yourself, okay? Ready, everybody? Go. Push it down. Stay. Just stay there. You don't need to push it so much. Give it a moment. Let it relax, stretch it. Okay, right now upper body forwards. Go as much down as you can. Go down. Stay. For a moment. Stay there. Hold there. Okay, the back leg bend. We sit on the floor. Same like last our side. Okay, bend. And then sit back. Yes. Right now we go forward. Stay for a moment. Just let it go. Stretch. Four more counts. You need to point your toes for this one, okay? And up. Good. Right now, we do our sit on the front leg. Yes. Good. Right now, hold your foot. Pull into you. Beautiful. Hold tight. Feel the stretch. Stay there. This muscle stretch is super important for your split. Stay there. Four more counts, stay. Good. Right now, relax. Put it down. We lean back. Okay, lean back. Continue stretching that muscle. Stay there. Let it go, okay? Very good. Stay there. Let it go. Hold. Okay, up. Okay, right now we need to do a real deal. Split. Front leg, back leg, all straight. Okay. Very good, 小胡啊 Beautiful. Vanessa, almost. Okay. 2 more months, you will be done. Okay. Good. Yes, hold the front, just stay there. This one we need to hold longer, okay? Give you relax a little bit. Relax your arm. So sit for a moment. Relax your arm. You have to do one more time. Yeah? Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. Okay, build up your arm muscle as well, okay? Stay there. Three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 more. 2, 3, 4. Last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you survived. Oh, right now relax. Okay, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Yes. Okay. Right now, we do a Sleeping Beauty. Okay, just sleep till the class finished. Okay, just sleep. Okay, follow me. Okay. So, hold your one line. Pull towards you. Hold towards you. Good. Right now, turn out. Pull the leg. Okay, turn out like this way. Pull towards you. Yes, that's right. Okay, give it a moment. Beautiful. Right now, we make a hard one. Stay knee straight. And pull towards you. Okay? If you can straighten your knee all the way to your face, that will be good. Otherwise, stay here. Yeah? Pull as much as you can. Stay. Good. And relax. Let's do our side. Okay? Turn in. Okay. Very good. Hold in. Don't move. Right now, turn out. Passe. And then pull towards you. Let your hip relax. Stay for a moment. Good. Right now, straightening. We will pull as much as you can to your face. Hold. Stay. 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 And finish. Okay, right now we will do our favorite thing, okay? Keep your knee together. And grab your mat. Okay, grab your mat. Okay, so this will help your neck relax, okay? Ready? We will do 10 times set-ups. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, 4 counts. Relax, don't move. Ready? We do 12 times. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Give you a little longer. 6 counts, relax. You will do 14 times. Get ready? Let's rock it.